In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a 404-page not found error in Webflow. A 404 error usually means Webflow can't find the page or URL you're trying to access. Here's what you need to check. First, make sure your site is published. Open your project and click Publish. If your site hasn't been published or was accidentally unpublished, anyone visiting the link will see a 404 error. After publishing, wait a few seconds and test the link again. Second, check the page URL settings. Go to the Pages panel, open the Page Settings, and review the SEO and URLs log. Make sure the URL is correct and doesn't contain invalid symbols or unnecessary characters. Fix any mistakes, save, and republish. Third, review your CMS collection pages. If you're using CMS collections, check their status. Any unpublished, deleted, or broken CMS items can cause errors. Make sure everything is properly published and working. Once you've checked these three things, publish your site again and test the link. And that's it. That's how you fix a 404-page not found error in Webflow.